short video about my experience at the Cadillac Ranch. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. About the experience. So I went to the Cadillac Ranch. It's in Amarillo, Texas. I got to go back for a conference, but fun fact, I got my undergrad at Texas Tech, which is in Lubbock. And when I was there, I never drove to Amarillo. It's not even that far. I want to say it's an hour, max hour and a half, and I never went. There's a lot you can do there, but I wasn't brave enough. So finally got to go. I heard about this place. Basically it's Cadillacs, and they're out in this field, and you bring spray paint and you spray paint. And it changes all the time. Of course it changes because people spray paint whatever they want. But one time for Valentine's, all the Cadillacs were spray painted pink. So it's a cool place. Definitely if you need to let out some steam or you just feel like decorating something or spray painting, go out. And yeah, but it's pretty cool. You don't need to pay, it's pretty free. And yeah, anyway, here's my experience. Cadillac Ranch, we got our spray paint in us. So I'm excited. Gotta go in here. Oh, that was like a rotator thing. I was like, that's legit. I know, it also feels like it's gonna rain. Probably a dozen. A lot of fun.
I don't think it comes out here. It wasn't showing earlier. I hit my finger. But it came out. Yay!
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Look at the thickness of this. All the spray paint. Woo! Okay. It's heavy, dude. You can't feel this. Crazy. Falling off the car. That's how thick the paint is. From there. Usually all the paint go up is there. And it fell on. Joss'n. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up. It's a short video. There's not much to see.